Alright, let's see if we can get this water thing fixed. These are pretty handy. Ratcheting tube cutters. Pretty good. Alright, let's see there. Let's cut this right here if we can. There we go. Clean this water up here. Throw that in there. There we go. Pretty clean now. Alright, what I need to do is stick this down over it, like that. There we go. That looks good. Let's see if I can mark it here. Just trying to mark these holes here so we can drill them with the masonry bit. That ain't what I should have done though. Yeah, I see that, but this will probably do the same thing. I don't know. That's still pretty good. Alright, that's where I want it, so let's put some, see if we can mark it here. Alright. Perfect. Alright, let's see. Come on, Richard. All right. That looks good. Yeah. Perfect. All right, let's open up this guy. This is a SharkBite Max. It's a 1/2 inch PEX to 3/8 outside diameter for your toilet water line. along with a little security thing, huh? All right then. Yeah, I think that'll work. Which way is it on, which way is it off? Off. That's off. That's on. All right. Off. On. Off, on. All right. All right. Look at that. Wow. Unscrew this off the toilet, which is a 7/8. Get this one all tightened up. And these should only be hand tight. You shouldn't. Alright, almost tight. Off, right? Yep, it's on will be that way. Alright, since we're off, then we go turn the water on and hopefully it doesn't leak everywhere. Alright, are we leaking? I don't see no leaking. No leaking. Alright, let's turn the water on and hope for the best, huh? There we go. I hear it filling up. I don't see no leaking. Don't feel no leaking. Let's see if it works. No leaking? Good. This is an American Standard Cadet 10-inch rough-in. Your common size is 12, but this one happens to be a 10 because it's an older house. But it's got a 3-inch drain built into it. I mean a 3-inch trap, 2.5 inch at the top. It's pretty good. Now I just need to cut these bolts down here. Put the caps on. I don't know if you can see that or not. Yeah. Let me get something to cut these bolts with. All right, let's see if we can cut it now. Pull that thing off. Oh, you don't melt the plastic. There we go. No, let's seal off of there. There we go. Perfect. Now we can get this cap on there. Look at that. See if we can put the cap on. There we go. Bobby's your uncle. Alright. I just need to clean up now. All done. I appreciate y'all watching. I don't know if you learned anything or not, but I think that looks pretty good. We're gonna call that a day. Bye.